Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to learn easy Amharic words. And the first one is shinkurt. 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 Shinkurt is onion. If you want to say, I like onions in Amharic, you'd say, እኔ ሽንኩርት እወዳለሁ. እኔ ሽንኩርት እወዳለሁ. እኔ means I. Shinkurt means onion. እወዳለሁ means I like. እወዳለሁ. እኔ ሽንኩርት እወዳለሁ. I like onions. The plural form of onion would be ሽንኩርቶች. 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 The next one is ዘይት. 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 ዘይt is oil. Say, for example, if you want to say, I bought oil in Amharic, you'd say, እኔ ዘይት ገዛው. እኔ ዘይት ገዛው. እኔ ዘይት ገዛው. እኔ means I. ዘይት means oil. ገዛው means I bought. እኔ ዘይት ገዛው. Or you can just say ዘይት ገዛው. ዘይት ገዛው. I bought oil. The next one is ቲማቲም. 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 Timatim is tomato. Say, for example, if you want to say, I like tomatoes, you'd say, እኔ ቲማቲም እወዳለሁ. እኔ ቲማቲም እወዳለሁ. እኔ ቲማቲም እወዳለሁ. I like tomatoes. እኔ means I. ቲማቲም means tomato. እወዳለሁ means I like. እኔ ቲማቲም እወዳለሁ. The plural form of ቲማቲም is ቲማቲሞች. 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 The next one is ሙዝ. Moose is banana. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I bought bananas, you'd say, እኔ ሙዝ ገዛው. እኔ ሙዝ ገዛው. እኔ ሙዝ ገዛው. እኔ means I. ሙዝ means banana. ገዛው means I bought. እኔ ሙዝ ገዛው. Or you can just say ሙዝ ገዛው. ሙዝ ገዛው. The plural form of ሙዝ would be ሙዞች. ሙዞች. The next one is ጨው. This one would be ጨ. And the next one is ጨው. ጨው is salt. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I don't like salt, you can say, እኔ ጨው አልወድም. እኔ ጨው አልወድም. እኔ ጨው አልወድም. እኔ means I. ጨው means salt. አልወድም means I don't like. እኔ ጨው አልወድም. Or you can just say ጨው አልወድም. ጨው አልወድም. ጨው አልወድም. If you want to say salty, you can just say ጨዋማ. 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 The next one is ቅቤ. 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 ቅቤ is better. ቅቤ. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I like butter, you can just say, እኔ ቅቤ እወዳለሁ. እኔ ቅቤ እወዳለሁ. እኔ ቅቤ እወዳለሁ. እኔ means I. ቅቤ means butter. እወዳለሁ means I like. እኔ ቅቤ እወዳለሁ. Or you can just say ቅቤ እወዳለሁ. ቅቤ እወዳለሁ. The next one is ማር. ማር. Ma. R. Mar. Mar is honey. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, if you want to say, I sold honey. I sold honey. You can just say, እኔ ማር ሸጥኩ. እኔ ማር ሸጥኩ. እኔ means I. ማር means honey. ሸጥኩ. ሸጥኩ means I sold. So እኔ ማር ሸጥኩ. እኔ ማር ሸጥኩ. I sold honey. Or you can just say ማር ሸጥኩ. ማር ሸጥኩ. I sold honey. The next one is ስኳር. ስኳር. ስኳር is sugar. S. Qua. R. ስኳር. ስኳር is sugar. Say, for example, if you want to say, I don't like sugar, you can just say, እኔ ስኳር አልወድም. እኔ ስኳር አልወድም. I don't like sugar. እኔ means I. ስኳር means sugar. አልወድም means I don't like. If you want to say, don't put sugar in it, ስኳር አትጨምርበት. If you're saying it to a male, you would say ስኳር አትጨምርበት. ስኳር አትጨምርበት. Don't put sugar in it. If you want to say don't put sugar in it to a female, you can just say ስኳር አትጨምሪበት. ስኳር አትጨምሪበት. ስኳር አትጨምሪበት. The next one is እንቁላል. 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 እንቁላል means egg. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I boiled 4 eggs, you can just say, እኔ 4 እንቁላሎች ቀቀልኩ. እንቁላሎች would be the plural form of እንቁላል. እንቁላሎች. So, እኔ 4 እንቁላሎች ቀቀልኩ. I boiled 4 eggs. እኔ means I. 4 means 4. Number 4. 4. ቀቀልኩ means I boiled. I boiled. እኔ 4 እንቁላሎች ቀቀልኩ. Or you can just say 4 እንቁላሎች ቀቀልኩ. Enculal is the singular form, and the plural form would be እንቁላሎች. እንቁላል እንቁላሎች. ወተት 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 ወተት. Wetted means milk. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I'm drinking milk, you'd say, እኔ ወተት እየጠጣሁ ነው. እኔ ወተት እየጠጣሁ ነው. እኔ ወተት እየጠጣሁ ነው. እኔ means I. ወተት means milk. እየጠጣሁ ነው means I'm drinking. እኔ ወተት እየጠጣሁ ነው. እኔ ወተት እየጠጣሁ ነው. If you want to say I don't like milk, you can just say ወተት አልወድም. ወተት አልወድም. If you want to say I like milk, you can just say ወተት እወዳለሁ. ወተት እወዳለሁ. If you want to say I'm allergic to milk, you can just say የወተት አለርጂ አለብኝ. የወተት አለርጂ አለብኝ. The next one is ውሃ ውሃ is water. If you want to say water is important, you can just say ውሃ አስፈላጊ ነው. ውሃ አስፈላጊ ነው. ውሃ means water. አስፈላጊ means important. No means is. ውሃ አስፈላጊ ነው. The next one is በቆሎ በቆሎ. Baqolo is corn. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I boiled 2 corns. I boiled 2 corns. You can just say, እኔ ሁለት በቆሎች ቀቀልኩ. በቆሎች means corns. It is a plural form of በቆሎ. So, እኔ ሁለት በቆሎች ቀቀልኩ. እኔ ሁለት በቆሎች ቀቀልኩ. I boiled 2 corns. Any means I. ሁለት means 2. Number 2. ሁለት means 2. በቆሎች means corns. ቀቀልኩ means I boiled. እኔ ሁለት በቆሎች ቀቀልኩ. The next one is ቡና. Let's say, for example, if you want to say I like coffee in Amharic, you can just say እኔ ቡና እወዳለሁ. እኔ ቡና እወዳለሁ. እኔ means I. ቡና means coffee. እወዳለሁ means I like. Let's say, for example, if you want to say እኔ ቡና አልወድም, I don't like coffee. If you want to say I don't like coffee, you can just say እኔ ቡና አልወድም. እኔ ቡና አልወድም. እኔ means I. Bunna means coffee. Alwaddam means I don't like. Any bunna alwaddam. The next one is Birtukan. 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 Birtukan means orange. B, R, tu, ka, ne. Birtukan. Birtukan is orange. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, if you want to say, I like oranges, you can just say, Eni burtukan uddallo. If you want to say, I don't like oranges, you can just say, Eni burtukan aluddam. Eni burtukan aluddam. So if you want to say the plural form of burtukan in Amharic, you can just say burtukanuch. 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 The next one is Dabo. 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 So if you want to say I like bread, you can just say Eni dabo dallo. If you want to say I don't like bread, Eni dabo aluddam. Eni dabo aluddam. If you want to say I bought 5 breads, you can just say Eni ammist daboch gazzaw. Eni ammist daboch gazzaw. Eni means I. Daboch means breads. Gazzaw means I bought. Eni ammist daboch gazzaw. Dabo is the singular form. Daboch means breads. So dabo is the singular form and daboch is the plural form. Eni ammist daboch gazzaw. The next one is siga. 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 Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I'm eating meat, you can just say, Eni siga እየበላሁ ነው. Eni siga እየበላሁ ነው. Eni siga እየበላሁ ነው. Eni means I, siga means meat. እየበላሁ ነው means I'm eating. እየበላሁ ነው. እየበላሁ ነው. I'm eating. If you want to say, I like meat, you can just say, ስጋ ወዳለሁ. ስጋ ወዳለሁ. You can also say, እኔ ስጋ ወዳለሁ. ስጋ አልወድም. I don't like meat. ስጋ አልወድም. ስጋ ገዛሁ. I bought meat. ስጋ ገዛሁ. I bought meat. If you want to say, I'm allergic to meat, you can just say, የስጋ አለርጂ አለብኝ. የስጋ አለርጂ አለብኝ. ድንች. ድንች. Dinich. Dinich. Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I like potatoes in Amharic, you'd say, Eni dinich odallo. Eni dinich odallo. Eni dinich odallo. Eni means I. Dinich means potato. Odallo means I like. The plural form of dinich would be dinichoch. 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 Let's say, for example, if you want to say, I boiled 3 potatoes, in Amharic, you'd say እኔ ሶስት ድንቾች ቀቀልኩ። እኔ ሶስት ድንቾች ቀቀልኩ። እኔ ሶስት ድንቾች ቀቀልኩ። እኔ means I. ሶስት is the number 3. ሶስት is 3. ድንቾች means potatoes. ቀቀልኩ means I boiled. እኔ ሶስት ድንቾች ቀቀልኩ. Or you can just say ሶስት ድንቾች ቀቀልኩ. ሶስት ድንቾች ቀቀልኩ. ሶስት is 3. ድንቾች is potatoes. ቀቀልኩ is I boiled. I boiled. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.